Creating a simple budget calculator can help you manage your finances, and here's a basic outline to follow. And I'll put it in the description so you could see it too. So, budget calculator. Number one, your income. List all your sources of income, including allowance, job earnings. You put all your numbers down. Gifts, put it down. Total income, put it down. Expenses now, number two. So your needs, basically, your food, your gas, your mortgage, whatever, school supplies, transportation, your wants, put it all down. You mark all your numbers. Entertainment, games, movies, whatever you do. Snacks, hobbies, all right? Savings, your savings account, all right? How much you have in there. You put your total expenses down. And then after that, you do the calculation. That's number three, your total income. So total expenses, what does that equal? It equals your money remaining. All right, so how to use it now. Fill in your income and expenses each month. Subtract total expenses from total income to see how much money you have left. Pretty simple. It takes discipline. Adjust your expenses, and if you find you're spending too much, you got to cut back. Money makes money. You want compound interest. Don't leave your money in the bank account, because the bank's going to do what they want with your money. It's losing money in the checking account. You can set this up on paper or on a spreadsheet to keep track easily. All right? If you have any comments that can help anybody, put it in there. Jesus is Lord, chat.